Hi there, Ken Sissel with C.R. Onsrud, and today we're going to give a brief walkthrough of our Extreme S-Series machine, or the ES-Series as we call it. Now we have our standard S-Series machine, which is fantastic for a variety of applications, but for clients who are needing even more rigidity and precision, they look at our ES-Series like the machine behind me. This model is very popular in the aerospace and heavier pattern and mold making industries, great at cutting heavy composites, aluminum, and a variety of materials. So with that said, let's go take a closer look. All right, the first thing to notice, and this goes for both the S and ES series machines, is table access. The table extends out past the RAM, giving access to all three sides of the table. This makes setup, loading, unloading very easy on the operator. This particular machine has a 5x10 vacuum table with our 40-inch Z-stroke option. 28-inch Z-stroke is standard. We do have a 53-inch Z-stroke option as well. Next, and you've probably already noticed, is the massive ES-Series bridge. As mentioned before, this machine was designed for more rigidity. The wide linear spacing and heavy-duty Z-axis RAM helps reduce deflection of the spindle during the cut. This is very important for heavy-duty cutting and tight tolerance machining. Along with the heavy-duty bridge, the ES-Series has heavy-duty base, heavy-duty columns, large linear rails, all together, making this a beast of a machine. This 5-axis machine has our standard 15 horsepower, 24,000 RPM spindle. We also have 24 and 33 horsepower options. This nozzle here is for our programmable air blast, which blows compressed air towards the cut, removing chips, allowing for higher RPM machining and faster feed rates. We do have an MQL option, which lubricates the tool with a very small amount of fluid, improving performance in aluminum machining applications. All right, right here we have our standard 12-position tool changer, and on the other column we have our optional second 12-position tool changer, giving this machine a total of 24 tools. If you need more, we have you covered there as well. Down here we've got our automatic tool length measuring device, great for quick and easy setup of tooling, and helps prevent an operator from typing in the wrong tool length. Hey, mistakes can happen, but an option like this helps reduce that human error we see from time to time. Just like all of our machines, the ES-Series machine is equipped with the latest Fanuc control. Unmatched reliability, lifetime parts and serviceability. You'll never have to worry about an obsolete control. And our Onsrud interface makes a Fanuc even easier to run. We have lots of other options on the ES-Series machine as well. Smaller tables, larger tables, probing, scale feedback, auto grease lubrication, enclosures, and so on. If you'd like to learn more about the ES-Series or our other large format machines, please reach out to us at sales@cronsrud.com. Take care.